Hello viewers, welcome to Pure and True Essentials. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about false trays and show you how I got false trays. And you can see behind me, we are having a snowstorm and you can see the snow is like hail. You can listen to the sound of the snow falling and it's like ice chips falling on the ground. And it's below freezing temperature. Temperature plays a major part in false trays. And if you soap very cold, you will get false trays and all the solid oils will get solid when you pour the lye into it. So let's get inside and start soaping, and let me show you how to get false trays when the temperatures are cold. I've got my lye water solution ready and I'm adding it into my melted oils and liquid oils. Let's check the temperature. It's 83 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's give a quick stir and then use a stick blender. Okay. I'm giving some small burst and I can already feel that it is very heavy in the bottom. I'm going to go on. Okay, here you go. You see that it's pulpy. This is called false trays. You should not stop mixing here. You should go on and make sure that your oil and the lye water has mixed. So I'm going to go on stick blending for a few minutes and I'm going to stop stick blending. I'm soaping in my basement and it's 63 degrees Fahrenheit. Temperatures do play a major part in false trays. To avoid it, you have to soap above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. It depends on the hard oils that you used and their room temperatures. Now I'm getting ready to add in my fragrance oil. You can already see the batter is in medium consistency. And I know this fragrance oil does not accelerate the trays. Okay, you can see the fragrance oil is still not mixed. I'm mixing it gently so I get both of them mixed. You can see the oil is floating on top. You see it's medium consistency. You can still see the fragrance oil floating on top. It's still not incorporated fully. I'm going to mix until I don't see any more oil floating on top. And wow, look at that. The fragrance oil has actually helped the batter to get thin. And now I can feel it's flowy and you can see it's thin trays. A few seconds ago it was medium trays and now it's thin trays. It's not holding its shape anymore. Sometimes the lye water takes a little while to warm up and then it actually warms the whole oils. So the fragrance oil and the lye water has actually warmed up enough, so I think it's helped the batter to become thin. So I'm going to quickly act and get it into the mold. I didn't have any complex design. It's a confetti soap. I'm also making 2 blocks. So I'm going to quickly do it and you can see the consistency is like thin, but I ran out of the red so I had to mix in the color again. So I'm going to act quickly, but this time you can see that the consistency had got a little thicker. It's got medium already. Oh, let me show you. This looks thick, so let me show you how thick it is. Wow, you can see it's got like very thick pudding consistency. Okay, I'm going to quickly act and add it into the mold and let's see how it turns out when I unmold it. So after 24 hours, I'm unmolding the soap that I made the previous day and yep, it slides smooth and I'm able to cut it. I can see some color that's not fully dissolved, but I'm happy how it turned out. The soap has fully gelled and the confetti is very close and it looks so pretty. And I made this for my friends and family to give away during Christmas and New Year. Yeah, it is gelled thoroughly, and you can see the confetti is close. It looks pretty. But since we had a false trace, I'm going to show you the pH level of this soap as well. Let's finish cutting the soap and I'll show you the pH level of this soap. You're taking a closer look at the soap. The bottom layer has got a bright red because the soap is fully gelled and the top confetti is spread out evenly. And the top has got some ash. It looks like a design. It looks pretty. And now for our pH level test, I already wet the soap. And let's see. Wow, it is green. So we are good. Our soap is safe to use. And outside, you can see the snowstorm has stopped and we had cleared our driveway. And I'm going to give you a small tour of our yard. And it looks so beautiful after the snow, so peaceful and calm, and you can look at the bright sky. It is very beautiful. And this is all the snow that we cleared from our driveway. Look at that snow. I want to jump in and roll. Wow, look at the sun's rays through the trees. It's a reflection on the snow. Wow, it looks so beautiful. This is a lot of snow. Look at the sky. It's beautiful. I feel like rolling into the snow. When my kids are ready, we are going to make a snowman and have some snowball fights and have some hot chocolate. Wow, it's perfect consistency for making snowballs. Okay, I think I'll end the tour here. And if you like what I'm doing, like, share, and subscribe. And also visit my other social media platforms. See you next time.